Hello friends, my name is Namasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic project baseline. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to PMP. If you are especially if you are a student of project management and planning to give exam of PMP certification, so this is a very important topic. So let's start, friend. Project baseline. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you. So let's start. Project baseline. What is project baseline? A baseline in project management is clearly defined starting point for your project plan. It is fixed reference to measure and compare your project progress against. This allows you to assess the performance of your project over time. So basically, friend, the concept of baseline is that uh, it is a way to measure your performance. Okay, like you just set some baseline for your project so that you can measure your performance. Now actually what does mean? Basically, for example, if you are starting a project, okay, and you set a baseline that you must have to complete that project within 6 months, okay, and you have completed this project within 5 months, so that means that you have completed the project on time. Similarly, on the other hand, you set a project baseline 6 months and the project was completed in 8 months, so that means you have take the overtime, and you have not completed the project on time, so that is means that project performance is not good. So basically this is the concept of baseline, to compare, to evaluate the performance of a project. For baseline there are three concepts are there: schedule, cost, and scope. So similarly the baselines are also three types of there: schedule, cost, and scope. Okay, so these are the three baselines. Now how to set the baseline? To set a project baseline, you must first determine the scope of your project. This can be done with a scope statement, which is a list of project objectives and deliverables. Break down all the work required to achieve these deliverables. Next, you must map your project schedule with clearly defined due dates and a final deadlines. And then you should plan the total cost of your project. So basically, friend, there are three types of baselines: the scope, the cost, and then the schedule. Scope means the deliverable which we have to deliver. Okay, the cost means the budget which in which you have to complete the project. The timeline or schedule means the timeline in which you have to complete the project. So these are, there are three baselines are there, and you can set these three baselines, and you can evaluate it at some later stage. Here just want to give you a very simple example. Your employee ABC has asked you to create a social media campaign to conclude with the launch of a new product. You are allotted a project budget. Your goal is to build brand awareness and encourage early date sales of the product. Your project baseline could look something like this: scope, deliver 500 direct sales, okay. Schedule, within 1 month you have to complete that campaign, and the cost is $100 euro dollar for 1000 euro dollar, okay, so 1000 pound. So friend, this is an example of the baseline. Just simply try to understand that the scope baseline is simply a thing which you take as to compare or to evaluate your performance of a project. And there are three baseline types: scope, schedule, and cost, okay. And the purpose or only purpose of baseline is to evaluate or compare your performance at some point of project. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.